Good morning. I am Shailendra Kumar, PGT Physics of Kendriya Vidyalaya, Balia. Today we will see about some of the optical instruments, and in these optical instruments, first of all, we will see about simple microscope. Simple microscope, as you are seeing, this one is a magnifying glass. Magnifying glass also magnified the image. Okay. Here you know that whenever objects are placed in between F and C, that is the focus length and optical center, then it forms a virtual erect image of the same side of the object. So this one is utilized for magnifying to enlargement of the object. So that's why it is also called simple microscope or magnifying glass, which magnified the objects. You know also how can we estimate the size of the objects? By what are the angles subtended by that objects on our eye. On that basis we estimate what are the size of the objects, what are distance, what are size, like so on. ठीक है. If suppose if objects are nearer to us, we see when same objects eye moves away and away, then angles subtended by the objects goes on decreasing, and so the object size reduces. We say that the object is small in size, and when it becomes far, very very far, then it forms a looks like a point objects. So we estimate the size of the objects by the angles subtended by that objects on our eye. So here in simple microscope we see this arrangement. Here objects are placed, object AB is placed in between C and F, very close to F, so it will form virtual erect image. A dash B dash is the virtual erect image of the object AB. This image will form at least distance of distinct vision, that is the 25 centimeter, and our eye is very close to the eye lens. Okay. Now that objects, when it will be at the least distance of distinct visions, that is at that A1 B dash, then what it subtend angle at the lens, that is on our eye, because eye is very close to the lens, you see that angle A1 C B dash, that is alpha. Alpha is the angle subtended by the objects, and when its image form A dash B dash form, that is virtual erect image, then what are the angles subtended by that object's image? That is the A dash C B dash. We have marked this one as angle beta. So magnification, that will be the ratio of the angles subtended by the image to objects, and for that is beta upon alpha, and for small angles we can take this one 10 beta upon 10 alpha. Now we will put the value of 10 beta, that is A1 A dash B dash upon B dash C. We mark 10 beta, sorry, that one is objects AB, that is AB upon CB, and 10 alpha, that is the A1 B dash upon CB dash. Now we simplify this one. AB and A1 B dash both are same, cancel out, that is CB dash upon CB. Now CB dash, you see that this one is the V image distance upon U. minus has been cancelled out, so magnification produced is V by U. Okay. Now we will use the lens formula with proper sign conventions. 1 by V minus 1 by U, that is 1 by F, multiplied both sides with V, that's why it becomes 1 minus V upon U, that is V upon F, or further simplification, M is equal to 1 minus V upon F. Now where we are forming that image, that is forming at the least distance of distinct vision D. So in place of V, we place here D with proper sign, so it becomes negative, minus minus plus. So magnification, that will be 1 plus D by A. So you can say that when objects is placed at when we want to form image at least distance of distinct visions, then magnification produced will be as 1 plus D by A. You know about the value of D, that is the 25 centimeters. Suppose focal length of the lens is 5 centimeter. So what will be the magnification? That is 25 upon 5 plus 1, 6. An object has been magnified 6 times. Okay. So in that way, magnification takes place. This is the large image of the objects. Now, when we want to see this object with the relaxed eye, it means when we want to see image of that object at infinity, then we can see with the relaxed eye. So in order to form that image at infinity, object will be near to, very near to focal length. You know that when objects are at focal length, then image will form at infinity. So just objects will be just before focal length, so its distance that will be taken as equal to f. So magnification, that will be U. In place of U, you may write f, and V of where object's position is f, okay? And in that case distance of object will be distance V, that will be equal to D. So in that case magnification will be D by f. So when object size is near to focal length and we want to form its image at infinity, then in that case magnification will be equal to D by f. Okay. In that case, when you put the value of f, that is the 5 centimeter, then magnification will be 5 times. Okay. In next video we will see about compound microscope. Okay.